What's the meaning of assegai? Assegai. Assegai.
Assegai. Assegai. Assegai is a word of African origin that refers to a type of spear used for hunting and warfare. It typically has a long, narrow blade and a wooden handle, and was historically used by various tribes throughout southern and eastern Africa. The assegai was a highly effective weapon due to its ability to penetrate armor and inflict serious injuries on both humans and animals. Today, the assegai is primarily used for cultural and ceremonial purposes, but its historical significance and impact on African history cannot be overstated.